My main message was how generative AI will change the Finnish industrial companies and the supply chain. And I think there were a couple of key themes that I wanted to point out there. So first of all, AI is here. So there's no escaping that, and the train has already left the station. So I think the main message is that you really need to think whether you can stay behind or whether you need to jump on the train to really stay competitive. And we discussed about the spectrum of either staying competitive or building something unique as your competitive advantage, something that no one else has that is entirely uniquely yours. And some examples of these are to stay competitive, take something that is already available that brings value immediately, like our Copilot for Microsoft 365. Then you'll be able to work faster, get more done, whether it's Outlook, Teams, summarizing emails, creating content for you, just making your life easier and getting you faster to value. Versus if you want to really build something unique to your business, then we offer a platform and tools to really build something completely different for yourself. Whether it's, for example, how you look at different suppliers in an RFP process, how you analyze all of their documents, whether it's, especially when it's not in a structured format, how do you look at different illustrations, diagrams, pictures, text, all of this, make it uniform and then make intelligent decisions based on that. So a lot of different opportunities for sure. Well, I think the main thing to know is that your company is using AI, whether you know it or not. So the employees are using consumer services like ChatGPT and all this. So I think the first point is to make sure that there's a company goal and a company vision of how to address AI. So perhaps it should not be those consumer services. Perhaps it should be something that is secure and enterprise ready for everybody. And I think easy step is to start piloting, start testing Copilot for Microsoft 365. Then you see the value, how you can use it across your daily work. And then it's really starting to think where the use cases could be for you, where you could see immediate potential by building something a little bit unique to yourself. And of course, AI is technology. It doesn't help unless you actually change something in your organization, in your processes. So that's the third thing to think about is how's your culture, how's your skilling level within your employees? Are they ready for change, or is that something you need to invest in?